Okay, part two. We go back to the article manager and we have successfully set up our event. It's published in the right section and category. So we go to components, DT register, and we go to events. And there's only one event in there right now. But it's easier to copy an event than it is to go through and set up a whole new one because so many of the default options are just the same. So I'm going to copy this event and change the appropriate information. Okay, Linda, when you are doing this, it's probably going to default to you, but if not, go ahead and change it to you. That doesn't really make a difference because we're both super administrators and so is Kim, and so any super administrator can edit any other super administrator's events. But anyway, it might be nice to just see your name there. So it is a new event. The title of the event is, we'll just call it DP event. And that would be the actual title of the event, but I don't remember what the one for this is, so I'm pretending it's the Dandelion Patch event. Event category, just put none. We don't have them separated into categories right now. We've already set up the new location. We do want to publish the event. The time display 12-hour, like I said, all that is going to default to standard, and so you can just leave it. The start date, I don't remember what the start date was, but let's just pretend it's January 12th. And it starts and ends on January 12th. We'll say again, it's 4:30 to 7:30. This is default, that's fine. All of this is, you can go through and read the little help tools beside these, but for pretty much all of our events, we don't need these options. There's no prerequisite event. This is the one thing that you will change, which is the event details article. We're going to change it to Dandelion Patch event or whatever you created. This little icon is already in there, so we'll just leave that as is because it's a NALBO event. This is the part that might be a little bit new to you, the discounts and fees section. Okay, so it's sort of backwards because you actually start off with the individual registration rate. And so the individual registration rate is the price that it would be if you are not a member. You do not get an early bird discount. And so in that case, it's $55. And again, here's the default options. If you are a member, your price is going to be $10 less than if you're not. And if you register early, your price is going to be $10 less than if it's not. So if you're a member and you're logged in and you're registering early bird, you're actually going to get both these discounts for a price of $55. And the late fee is $10. And so it's all based off of this. Let's say the late registration was $68, then this would be, the late fee would be $13. Hopefully that makes sense. And again, just like setting the date for the event, you set the early bird and late discount deadlines. I usually set the late fee to start when the event begins. You can do that however you like. And this will automatically be checked to allow board members to register for 0. And so as long as it's checked, that's fine. The messages, if you want to do special messages for the event, this is, a custom thank you message or something like that. You would put those in here. But again, it's all just default, just things I've set up. So you can just leave it as is. Same thing for fields, already set up for you. User panel, we don't allow people to change or get refunds from the system, that kind of thing. So that's all that. So then we just hit save. And if we go to the front, we should now see this as an option. Yay! So here's the Dandelion Patch event. And there it all is. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.